Kabul, the capital city of Afghanistan, experiences a unique and beautiful winter season, with snow transforming the city into a picturesque landscape. Snowfall in Kabul typically begins in December and can last through February, with the heaviest snowfall occurring in January. The snow covers the mountains surrounding the city, creating a stunning contrast with the dusty streets and the traditional mud brick buildings below. When snow begins to fall in Kabul, it blankets the entire city, often turning it into a white wonderland. The snow accumulation can vary from light dustings to several inches, and sometimes even feet, depending on the severity of the winter storm. The snow on the surrounding hills and mountains adds to the beauty of the city, with people often seen enjoying the view from rooftops or windows. The sight of snow-covered trees and streets creates a peaceful atmosphere that contrasts sharply with the usual hustle and bustle of Kabul. Daily life in Kabul during snowfall can be both challenging and enchanting. The heavy snow sometimes causes disruptions, such as transportation delays, power outages, and difficulty navigating through the narrow, unpaved roads of the city. However, these challenges are often met with a sense of resilience and adaptability. Many people walk or use traditional means of transport, such as donkeys or horses, to navigate the snow-covered streets. Vehicles, particularly older cars, may struggle to move in deeper snow, and traffic congestion is common as roads become slippery and harder to navigate. While the snow may cause some disruptions, it also brings a sense of calm and beauty to the city. Kabul's snowfall has an almost magical quality, with the city quieted by the snow and the everyday chaos softened by the serene white cover. It's a time of both hardship and joy, with the people of Kabul adapting to the challenges while cherishing the fleeting beauty that the snow brings.